Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling clean source tables so every calculation uses one truth. Convert each dataset to an Excel table. This gives structured references and auto-expansion. Once done, add unique employee ID and consistent date formats so lookups won't break. Use text to columns on pasted CSVs and remove extra spaces. Make sure to name tables logically. Names make formulas and pivot tables easier to manage. Now you're ready to build summary queries and pivot caches. Next, you derive the dashboard metrics from those clean tables. Build pivot tables for headcount, hires, exits, and average salary, then add calculated fields like tenure in years and monthly cost in dollars. Once you have pivots, create charts, column, line, donut, and link them to the same pivot cache to keep performance lean. Insert slicers and a timeline for interactive filtering. This lets you drill by department or period. Make sure to format numbers and axis labels for quick comprehension. Finally, arrange charts, KPI cards, and slicers on a single dashboard sheet and align for visual hierarchy so viewers read top to bottom. Add conditional formatting for at-a-glance alerts and lock the layout with sheet protection while keeping slicers editable. Document how to refresh data and whether refresh is manual or automatic. If something goes wrong, like broken pivot relationships or blank charts, refresh the source tables first. Verify header names match, and rebuild any corrupted pivot cache to restore visuals quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.